welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, so today I'll be making hominy corn porridge. So first, I've been soaking my corn from overnight. So I use like 4 cups of water to soak it. You can use up to 4 to 5 cups to soak your corn. Or if you don't soak it overnight, you still can go ahead and make your porridge, whichever time you want to make it. All you have to do, you can add up 3 to 4 cups of water in hot boiling water, and you boil it for 2 minutes and you leave it for an hour with no fire underneath it, and then you can go ahead and proceed and make your porridge. All right, so now I did go ahead and turn the fire on under this and boil it a little. So now I'm going to continue now to boil it. So the porridge will take up to say 45 minutes to an hour to boil, to finish. Yeah, and the longer you soak it is better. Sometimes it can take up to 35 minutes, because sometimes I soak it say maybe for 12 hours and in 35 minutes it's boiled. So what I'm going to do now, so this is the corn there. Just going to do that. You see, people, soaked. So it's going to add some salt to this, because what salt gives stuff flavor. So just a 1 teaspoon of salt to it. So your stove can be a medium or high. So mine is in between those. And then I have cinnamon stick. I'm going to put that in there like that. And I have my nutmeg. I'm just going to grate up some nutmeg inside. You can use the powdered cinnamon if you have it, or the cinnamon leaf, you can. Or if you have the powdered nutmeg like this one, whichever one is fine. I'm going to go ahead and grate that. And guys, to make the porridge of body, you know, you can use cornstarch, you can use flour. What I do, thanks to my mommy, she taught me this long time ago. You can put it in the blender and blend some, right? And then you pour it back into the pot, and that will allow it to, and that will give it body, sorry. But I'm going to show you all of that. Yep. When my mother boiling porridge, I'm telling you, she put, if you want, you can go ahead and put saupagin in there as well. Okay. My mommy do that and it tastes really good. I'm not going to put any saupagin in mine today. So that nutmeg is fine. Because I don't want a lot of milk in there. Reason being because of the person who's drinking it. And you leave it like that. And you leave it to boil. So I'm going to add just a little bit more water to it. Just a little more, because I'm going to add my coconut milk in it later. So less than a cup of water I'm going to add. Just that much. Then I'm just going to cover. Now I'll be back. Okay guys, let me just check on this. Alright. So what I'm going to do, see it there? Very nice. Lovely. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove some and just put it in the blender. So we're not going to blend everything, we're just going to blend some. Like that. Alright. Then I have my coconut milk. I'm going to blend them together. So I'm just going to blend. This is the coconut milk. I'm going to blend them together, okay? So just going to pour that into the blender. Alright. So that's it, people. The coconut milk and the corn is inside of the blender. I'm just going to blend that. And not for a very long time. Maybe just for 2 minutes. So I'm turn it on. Okay, people, so I'm just going to add the corn and the milk in. And just remove everything. All right. I'm just going to give it a stir like that. You see, people? Make the porridge thick. Leave it to boil. Let's boil out the coconut milk in this. Lovely. I'm going to cover that.
A few moments later.
Okay, peeps, so let me check on this and see what's going on. So lovely. Nice. See how thick it's becoming? Nice. So I just want to remove that cinnamon stick. And then I'm going to check my corn to see if they boil. I'm just going to remove the stick. Look at that. Lovely. Nice. You get a little thicker than that, but it's coming through. And I'm just going to test the corn to see. All right, so then can take a little more time. All right, so 10 more minutes and it's good to go. Just going to give it a little more stir and cover that and make it go on with itself. Beautiful. So guys, before you put your corn in your pot, I should say that from the beginning, make sure you wash it like twice. Just rinse it off twice, and then if you're gonna put it for soak, you soak it, and if you're gonna make it same time, the same procedure I told you, if you're gonna make it same time how to do it, but wash your corn off with some water and then you add it to your pot. Nice. So I'm just going to give that a cover. I'll be back. Okay guys, lovely. So I'm just going to sweeten this. This is cooked already. Nice, look at that. and give it a stir. I'm just going to put this on low. So we're going to add some vanilla to this. Turn down that. So I'm going to add like 1 teaspoon of vanilla to this. Alright. Give it some flavor. Mix that around. Like so. Lovely. So guys, look at that. Thick. So that's what you're looking for. Then I'm just going to add my condensed milk to this. If you want, you can add a little sugar too, but I'm not going to use any sugar. I'm just going to use the condensed milk only to sweeten this. So you sweeten it to your taste, okay? Wherever you want it. So I'm going to leave this for another 5 to 10 minutes on low, and then we're ready to serve. See the people, lovely. Look at that, you see? Nice, beautiful. Okay guys, so that's the end result of the porridge. There you have it. Lovely. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.